the Stoke of SUP. With the views of snorkeling, day or night. Experience the evolution of stand-up paddling with LightSUP boards. Our expansive viewing window, internal light ports, hydrodynamic design, durable construction, retractable handle, and removable fin are the elements that encompass the most advanced stand-up paddleboard ever made.
Our labor of love began in this little beach shack on the big island of Hawaii. We have been professionals in the SUP industry since its infancy. LightSUP was born from the mind of an ingenious little girl named Bella who was tenacious in her pursuit to make her board a reality.
As a little kid growing up, I would always visit my dad in Hawaii, and he'd always work at this beach shack. And every break, I would ask him to take me out on the paddleboard, and when he took me out there as he was paddling, I'd always stick my head under the water trying to see the fish. There were these special boogie boards with the windows where you're able to see the fish underneath you. And one day he was trying to fix the window, and I remember thinking, what if we put that window on a paddleboard? And I asked my dad if that could happen, and a few weeks later we started coming up with designs trying to make this dream come a reality.